Hey guys, so here is how to farm the Plaza Finance testnet. So all you need to do is to copy and paste the link to your browser, maybe Mrs. Kiwi or using a PC. So here you come and you click on connect. And I'll be connecting my MetaMask wallet. That's the first thing first. So I'll just click on connect. So now wallet is connected. So next thing is to get test tokens. You can see. Okay, you receive some test tokens. So next thing is to get is to explore the Plaza. Then I'll click on explore Plaza. So you see bond ETH, buy bond, buy leverage, all of these things are there. And what you need to do to earn their points. Earn points with each interaction. You see 0 Plaza points. So I'll just click on buy bond ETH. So I'll swap from this test token to bond ETH. So what I will do is to use 0 points. Let me use 0 points. I'll click on buy. Confirm. I'll still click on confirm here. So that's the first thing. So I will allow this transaction to, okay, transaction successful. Go to portfolio, okay. So they've added 4 Plaza points for me, as you can see here, because of this one particular point, transaction that I just did. So every 24 hours, I come here to click on test token, get test token. So now the next thing is to do the leverage trading. So I'll come to this end too. I have to do sell bond, and I have to do this leverage. Okay, let me first of all sell. So I've just buy, so I'll sell again. So you are seeing my bond, so I can just sell part of this. I will send like sell like you see, I'll sell like it. So in other words, what you are doing here is to create transaction volume. And guys, if you are farming this humanity protocol, you have to connect your socials for you to start any daily points. The daily points. I just find out, even myself, I didn't connect at first, so I was not earning points. It was now I started earning points. So for every transaction you do, you get 4 points for this Plaza point. Let me get done with this Plaza point before going to Humanity Protocol. So for every transaction you complete, you get 4 points. So you complete as much as you can every day to earn the Plaza points. Then I can go back and still create this leverage trading. So I will click on buy. For the leverage, you have to do for bond and you have to do for leverage. So for the leverage, this is you see why I didn't use all the testnet token to buy for bond alone, because I was going to use it for this leverage. So this is it. I'll click on 0 points. Okay, let me use 5. And I'll click on buy. And confirm the transaction. So check the registration link for this Plaza Finance Testnet and Humanity Protocol Testnet in the description box of this video. I have a video on Humanity Protocol Testnet already, but just that I didn't mention that you should add your socials. So you have to add your socials. This is it. Why this is loading? Come to, you see, I just claimed today. Like, I was not thinking that I had to add my socials. You see this? Come to this profile. You see X, GTube, all of this. You have to add your socials on Humanity Protocol for you to start claiming daily points. If you don't add your socials, this claim daily reward will not be active. I was just wondering what's going on. This daily reward was not active, so I was just navigating around and I found out that I have to connect all my socials. This is for Humanity Protocol. You have to connect all your socials by coming to this profile. You click on this. Because I've connected it, you might not be able to see. It brought out the list of socials. Okay, here is it. So you are saying this. So this is how your profile has to be before you can start any daily points on Humanity Protocol Testnet. This is how your socials has to be before you can start any daily points on Humanity Protocol Testnet. So I can click on return to dashboard. Then on my dashboard, I can start claiming the daily points. You see the daily reward something. Let me refresh. So take note, if you have signed up or you are about to, make sure this is what you are doing for you to earn points. If not, your dashboard will just be empty and you'll be wondering what's going on. So this is what is going on. Connect socials first so that you can earn. So I just want to show you this. This two testnet, they are kind of simple. They are simple, not even kind of. So just you see, claim Genesis reward. Because I've claimed for today, that was why I was able to get this 140 RWT. Then I'll come back tomorrow to claim Genesis reward. So this is what you need to do every day to claim this, to earn on Humanity Protocol. Take note. Check the registration link in the description box of this video. Paste the link to your browser. Connect your socials. Come here to claim daily reward. And for this, what's it called? This spam not enabled. According to this, it seems they will be the one to send us the code. If you haven't received yours, stay tuned. We will announce when the new palm scanning invitation code becomes available. So this you have to wait for this one. This enter invitation code. This is different from the invitation code you use in signing up. The moment you click on the link to sign up, the invitation code is already attached to this link. But for this palm invitation code, they will be the one to send it, and they said they will announce. So until they announce, you might not be able to get this palm invitation. I don't have it myself, so palm not enrolled. So I'll have to wait till I get this. So to enable the palm is a 6-digit invitation code. For this palm, it's not the regular invitation code that you're using to sign up. This one is different. So take note. But for you to start earning, use the link to sign up, connect your socials, then start clicking on claim daily and get full sets, bridge and all of that. So now to the Plaza Finance. I've just completed the buy for this leverage. So I'll do the sell for the leverage as well. You see how the points is adding up. So I'll come to leverage and still click on sell. And that settles that. So I'll enter one. Then click on withdraw. So this is what you do on Plaza Finance Testnet every day to earn their airdrop points. The more points you have, the more allocation you get. So check the registration links for Plaza Finance and Humanity Protocol in the description box of this video. Participate the way I've just showed in this video, and you start claiming every day. If you don't have a PC, make use of your Kiwi or Mrs. browser. You can you might want to put it on desktop mode if you don't mind. I don't know if the normal mode is not working. Just use a desktop mode and you should be able to get this done with your mobile. So I think I've done justice to this Humanity Protocol and Plaza Finance Testnet. So stay tuned for my subsequent updates. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my updates at all. Also join my Telegram community and you'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.